Are you looking to start affiliate marketing, but feel overwhelmed, stuck, or unsure where to begin? This video will walk you step by step through Jonathan Montoya's 5-day challenge, a beginner-friendly program designed to help you start a real online business in just a few days, without showing your face, without any experience, and without tech overwhelm. Let's break it down. The Freedom Breakthrough 5-day challenge is a training program built for complete beginners. Created by 7-figure affiliate marketer Jonathan Montoya, it's designed to take you from zero to setting up your first automated affiliate system, fast. Each day focuses on a different part of building your business. Day 1. Learn the mindset shift you need to escape the 9 to 5. Day 2. Understand how affiliate marketing works and how to do it the right way. Day 3. Build your simple sales funnel. No coding required. Day 4. Learn how to get traffic to your offers. Day 5. Discover how to scale your results and turn this into long-term income. This challenge is great for faceless creators, people who want to build a brand or income online without being on camera. You'll learn how to use automated tools to build funnels and email sequences. Promote high-ticket products using only your voice or even text-based content. Get traffic from platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Pinterest without ever showing your face. Here's what you don't need, period. You don't need to be tech-savvy. You don't need a big following. You don't need to spend months figuring it out on your own. All you need is a period. A laptop or phone. A few hours a week. Willingness to learn and take action. Montoya's system gives you the exact tools and templates to follow, step by step. What makes this challenge different from others? It's simple, clear, and takes you from zero to launched in 5 days. You're learning directly from someone who's done it. You build a system once and let it run with automation. It works for people with full-time jobs, families, or limited time. Whether you're burnt out in a 9 to 5, working part-time, or just looking for a side hustle with long-term potential, this is a realistic path forward. If you want to try the same system I'm using, click the link below to join the 5-day challenge. http://www.digitalprgramsolutions.com. Have questions about the challenge or affiliate marketing in general? Drop them in the comments. I respond to everyone. If this helped you, give the video a like. And if you want more content like this on building faceless income streams, affiliate marketing tips, and automation strategies, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a video that can move you forward. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't need to be an expert, you just need to start.